Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tire and wheel matchup with a set of 20x9 KMC XD Heist, also known as an 818, and some 35x1250 R20 Atturo TrailBlade XT tires. And no, we are not sponsored by Yeti, but it is comfortable to sit on. So these XD Heists, they're offered in a 16, 17, 18, 20, and 22-inch wheel, and they're offered in a satin black and milled finish, a satin black finish, which is this one, and then a gloss black and milled finish, which is my personal favorite. With that being said, it's an 8-spoke design. It's a very classy wheel. It's a very classy wheel, and it stayed popular for years. So if you're looking for a good wheel to put on your car, it's been in production, I don't know how long, I want to guess 2010. So, you know, when a wheel's been around for 8 years, it's timeless. So with that being said, you've got your exposed lug nuts, which I'm a big fan of. I personally would not run exposed lug nuts on a truck, but if that's your thing, run it. If it's on a Jeep, it's a whole different story. So with that being said, these 35-inch Atturo TrailBlade XTs, honestly, my honest opinion, I don't really like the tread on them. I don't like the tread pattern. That's just my personal opinion. Don't really like it. However, for the price point and the quality that you get out of it, absolutely love it. They are 80% of the quality of Toyos and Nittos. My opinion, 80% of the quality of Toyos and Nittos, and they're half the price. So you can't really beat that. With that being said, you still don't get the full quality of Toyo and Nitto, but that's what you pay for with a Toyo and Nitto. They ride well, they're quiet, and they balance well. So with that being said, it's hard to argue with them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.